Left that alone. That cat me name Breda and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead?
That not go happen. That will never happen.
Yeah, people, we are about to go out on the water in a boat, you know. Yeah. Look on the American fall as well.
Oh, they're ready already.
Sure, them on the water, they got feet.
Have a video, yes. It's at the big bridge. When I reach the bridge, yes. I can't give over it, car. I made it see far over this.
Still on the highway, see me?
On this one bridge, but the bridge I may check for the bridge I may look for it. We still there. Huh?
We're going on that one.
That talk about the one overhead. We build up with the wolf and steal them. You know one of them talk? Okay. May I put my video tell me which one?
Yes, sir.
He must have a good time last night.
Yeah, real video. This bad that can sit down here, so I saw him in the car with me. Look on a piece of structure road here, boy, and snow. And then I saw the snow upon the snow and I fall up this.
And this again fall straight through the day down.
I fall down this. So later on, tomorrow, everything may come down here. Maybe go and see what they attack. And the snow and I fall up. So you come here, you want to be see snow. You want a piece of action and I see that's true.
Me see me out on the action, man. When I see people that drive so slow, you must know something.
And bad for them off. You can't go faster than that. Before them carrying a good ass. This is one there, watch it. Really? Them free lights so bad down here? I said them free lights, you know. And you
know, see truckers line.
But maybe not put in a 4x4. My truck now slide. A 4-wheel drive. Look at the minute that they bend my baby on this pressure. She have fucked me up. Tell me, oh my God, I'm sort out my brain.
Where you going, son?
The go me I go.
No turn the summon. Fuck it.
You can't turn on the other one, Bridget.
You think you know where you go?
The book, you don't go back to your yard.
No.
You don't know me over then, man.
Mr. Breda not go through, you know?
Brother, listen to me. Without Canada, Bridget.
Oh, you have to go through the next one.
I don't know me I drive down with this place. I know all of them.
Me know where you go through the then
You
road.
used to come up, me know it then. Me used to come up back and look for one man party every night.
The next Saturday I come, so I never care.
You understand?
And if my friend I come, so.
Me I tell you, hope you're so hard you fucking know it.
You can't depend on young girl, you know.
No, me tell you that already.
And smoke too much blood clot weed.
Yeah, and then drink liquor when I say she drink the last night, yeah, liquor there.
And I go on like a tux. Me left them out there, got me bed, you know.
Oh, so when I left them, then they still there drink.
You got that right. We go see she left for a half cup on the table. I'll show me try out this morning. Let me say, wait, that's what them have girl there really a beaty.
Beaty liquor.
I feel good luck. I'm a drink, you know, me a drink it.
What time, man, we can drive it up where they, man? What the fuck?
Them man they afraid of the road.
That them man they basically afraid of the road.
That's how some
Principal
people
boss.
Yeah.
You up on the road we are drive pan up, but me not worry about it, man. I want big machine me up on it. It's have really, really bad for me worry. Me not worry. So not to the palm me can drop out bridge and I have to push back as well.
You go to I go you go to first me think say be a store you go in.
No, me could have go up one more in a bridge and come myself they like have for me place and have for me town.
Yeah, people. A Thursday morning breakfast, you know. So as I say, we still eat natural like another yard. You see me? We not eat like so we want come a foreign, come get big belly, big bātty. You see me? So when we're there, we not going like say we are rush food and not going like say food that the thing where we shop. You see me? But
we still have to eat because we not survive. Huh?
Eat and make sure so we fed on the food. Same way, you see me? But we are eating natural, you know. Same diet we are keep. You understand me?
And we go, you know what? I will say it to you because in a video, I want to beg you them again because I say it yesterday. I know it will go out there for them see it. Yeah? I'm in here Winston. And we have to start from somewhere, from scratch.
Sense.
And sometimes in our life I feel like all is up and you're not going to make it. But hopes is up there for you. You just like the fish is out there, you just go and get it. You know what I mean?
No, man.
And everybody not get them reward one time. So just wait till your time come, my brother. You know how to take up them whole heap of gun there and them foolishness there and not take contract. We go kill people. You know, brethren, you have to remember say your family too. How about your mother and your father and your sister and your brother? No people them man. So you're gonna take gun and shoot for other people and kill them to get an extra $1. You know make it brother. Or you eat comfortable. Or when you shoot somebody with that gun and get that money. Yeah, or you enjoy that money comfortable. You can't enjoy it, brother. So if you cut out the foolishness of Jamaica and put on your gun thing, I beg you now. Please.
It could be a better Jamaica, you see me? Right now we need a better Jamaica. We need more love and
right now, all over the world in the world, we have to talk for food place and every king of the other country, you know. So we are trying to know that Jamaica enough for one people of the whole of it. And we are begging to stop the foolishness, brethren. Stop it. See Christmas are coming now. And you know what? Me a beg him man and we have a big ram goat there. If we put the ram goat them in a pen bridge and tie them up because you don't know say if you thief, so if you thief, you not go thief. So top tie ram goat them a roadside because you know a man them throw them in a car trunk at Christmas time now. And ladies, on a purse, on a walk, on a purse, on a throw market. Yeah. Make sure you secure yourself properly. Yeah. Especially one day we have go to Western Union. Yeah, if you draw the money at Western Union and draw it and go home. And then you go back to shop. The shop with the whole of your money because I'm going to watch you if you take all right. You hear? Advice from me. And me I tell you say down because I go down there and see the man and I was loose all over the place. Just ready to take your man bag and then purse. Right? What you say about that, Cat? You agree?
Real life. Yesterday I get a video from Jamaica. The man grab a purse up the town. And the security get to him and trap him. And them call the police them and then take it around. It was a big excitement in our town, you know. So me I say, is either only a madman would have want that disgrace in our family. Then no brother, you want to tell me say police grab you uptown and grab people bag and around. How your mother and your sister them are going to feel, how your friend them are going to feel. It must be a madman. What kind of life that, brother? We need to go out and work and achieve a one man and leave people and then things alone.
And you know the other part there, I see the video too now, I see the lady with them foot. Cock up in the man belly like this.
Yes, that's the way you put yourself what happened to you, and that you put yourself in.
And her vagina the right, and her vagina the next door to your face.
I position you never see that? Put yourself in as a criminal.
And you cannot blame a lady for that. I tip you should have tip all, I slap you should have slap him way. Because she have a gun up and you should have slap him way. Because of that he need. He need to go underneath. You know, if he's stupid and get no more trouble. Anyway, bless and love everybody.
I'm happy.
Oh, that's what happens now, yeah. Oh, no. Right outside to the condo.
Outside to everything.
Orange.
What going on there? I look scared, though.
Huh? Someone has scary bad man.
Defense.
And defense that.
The sun has shine, but I just the sunlight. Now have no heat, you know.
Cool.